Welcome to another Angel on the Go video, and we are at Walmart yet again in the clearance aisle, and we're just going to start scanning items. But we showed you guys these before, and how much were they coming up before in the other video? I think they were like 18.
I think so, yeah.
18, or it could have been this $13 price, but we came back and they have about 4 of these, and these are the finger lens hugs. And again, this is Raquel. We showed you this in a prior video, and we believe it was scanning up the $13 price. Now it was $29.84 and it's down to $13. I decided to scan it while we're here to see if it went down more, and it actually did. So we're gonna scan it for you. This is why you always gotta scan, you guys. Look at that, it went down to $6.
That's crazy.
$6. So are we getting these?
You know we're getting this.
And today we have a car, you guys, so you don't have to worry about the bike. We're gonna go ahead and scan some other things to see if they also went down. But again, this was in a prior video. These are the fingerlings hugs, and I believe the last video, let me know if I'm wrong below in the comments, but the last video I believe they were 13 and now they're down to 6. You got them? All right, let's see what else we can find.
All right, so this is the Zing ZX, and this is a soft foam.
It don't look like you even know what that is.
Soft foam.
Let me see.
What you talking about?
Oh, I have no clue either. Zing Zax? Oh, here it is. Axe throwing fun. Axe with the...
So you had no clue, and yet you paused me like I had no clue.
No, you look clueless.
Anyway, so it's a foamy axe, see? And you throw it.
That almost hit me.
It's I was trying. And it sticks to almost any surface. So it'll stick to the wall, it'll stick to the garage, the floor, I guess.
Stick anywhere. All right, let's turn it. All right, so this is 5+, and it looks like you throw it and you stick it. This might be a fun toy. All right, there's an example. So it says sticks to walls, doors, ceilings, cargo vans, bathtubs. What does that say? What does that say? Hippos?
And more, I guess. Oh, hippo.
What is that?
A hippopotamus. Huh?
It's gonna stick on a hippo. Look at that, you guys. Hippos?
Whatever.
That doesn't make any sense. All right, so it says walls, doors, ceilings, cargo vans, bathtub, hippos, and that makes no sense, but this is the most important thing, you guys. Here's the UPC, and my husband's gonna scan it. I bet you're not ready. I bet you're not ready.
Whatever. You know,
never ready.
Somebody's gonna comment on this one and be like, I can't believe y'all don't know what a hippo is. It's probably pronounced something different.
I know, we're probably so wrong, and it's early, you guys. All right, here's a commercial break. Look, we got all the fingerlings in the cart.
Shut up.
We always waiting for you to get your phone. All right.
Oh, wrong one. There you go.
Look at that, you guys. Z-Axe suction cup axe, only $1, only $1.
I think this was like 10 originally.
I'm gonna go show you guys the sticker over here. They have quite a few.
Oh, I lied.
They have quite a few, you guys. They have all these up here. This is what it looks like again. This is the box, and it looks like it was around $6. So it looks like it was $5.97 down to $1. Again, great for stocking stuffers, but we're gonna leave this here. Our kids got enough stuff, and good luck with your find. All right, up next we have some hidden clearance. This is called Creative You Do It Yourself So Smooth Oil Set. This is what I need after doing all this Walmart shopping. All right, so it looks like it has 1 coconut oil, sunflower oil. They're about 1.06 ounces, so that's what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna turn it to the UPC. There's the UPC, and my husband's gonna scan it. You ready?
Always. I'm always ready.
All right, you guys. Okay, so it's $3. So you guys can see the clearance tag says $4.90, but it's actual $3. So that's hidden clearance. I also found another hidden clearance that I already scanned. These are called Loopy's Unicorn, and I have no clue what this is. Fluff your own plush. Is that kind of like a Build-A-Bear thing? Stuff. Okay, so it says stuff yarn in mesh pocket and pull out loops. That looks like fun. You gonna do this with me?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it with you.
Okay. I'll do this one. And my husband will do this panda bear. And I'm gonna show you the UPC for, it looks like the unicorn. There it is. Wait, don't leave your phone right there. Okay. And the UPC for the panda. And both of these are the same price. So you guys can see here, regular price is $12.97. Also with this one, $12.97. And you guys can see the clearance tag clearly states $9.10. But when we scanned it, it's only coming up $5. So $5 for this, $5 for this. You can't beat that price. They have a few up here. I'll probably just grab one so we can relax and sew. What? And they have some here. Look at all these right here. You guys, you know what? I might just wait because these are $5, but they have all these here, and when the store has a bunch of them, then it's probably gonna go down. So these will probably go down to like $2.50. But if you guys want to grab it now, it's only $5. If you're interested, you guys have a yard, you guys can come over here and save a couple dollars. So this one right here, what is this called? The Orbit Pro contractor grade. I don't know what this is. A 4,000 square foot metal gear drive. What's that? I'll see.
That's a sprinkler.
Is it a sprinkler?
Yeah.
All right.
It's the one that goes
back and forth.
Yeah.
All right. So we're showing you guys a couple clearance. This went from $19.84 down to $10. Here's another sprinkler set right here, you guys. It went from $14.92 to $7.50. There's the barcode for that one. Let's see what else I can find. This one is a RV and marine multi-purpose hose, and it's 25 feet. You guys can see the color here. And I'm going to show you the UPC. There you guys go. And it went from $14.94 to $7. Let's see what else I can find for you guys. Okay, this is a 3-arm rotating sprinkler. It was $2.23 down to 25 cents. So if you guys are looking for something like this, it's only 25 cents. And I don't see a UPC, but you guys can probably use that. All right, what else? All right, if you guys need, what is this? I can't see because it's, no, what's that word right there?
Anchoring spikes.
Anchoring spikes, you guys. I have no clue what it is, so comment below if you guys know. For use with no digging, what's that, edging? Oh, there we go, anchoring spikes. All right, so you get 10 spikes. There's the UPC. And it went from $5.67 down to $2.50. What's this right here? This is, I don't know why they cover up the price of the name. Oh, Tri-Link. 2-chain value pack. What is that? 12 low kickback inch. I have no clue what this is. A saw chain?
Oh, amazing.
Okay.
Links, it's a chain.
Oh, links to a chain. Okay, there it is right there.
So it's a 4.
All right, there's the UPC.
Oh, saw, yeah.
Okay, so I think these are links to a saw. It went from, is that $17.82? $17.82 to $5. This is not my specialty, you guys, so let me know if I get something wrong.
For all of you gardeners and people who deal with molds and things like that, this is the time to go run to Walmart and get clearance. So this is the Tomcat Mole and Gopher Repellent.
Oh, mold. I thought you said mold. Moles. Okay.
So the Mole
Mold
and Gopher Repellent.
Okay.
And this is a 32-ounce bottle.
Uh-huh.
So let me tell you the UPC here.
There's the UPC. And I like the handle, you guys. What do you do? Hook it up to like a water hose?
No, you just spray it.
Oh, you spray it. Don't spray it on me. I'm not a mole.
Very difficult.
All right.
Anyway, so the price here I'm gonna go over that. It was $14.67, and it's only $4.
Yeah,
Unbeatable price.
they have a lot of these, you guys. So if you guys need something like this, run to Walmart.
This is the Brush Killer Plus, and if you got a garden or something, you need your weeds killed, things like that. This works on blackberry, poison oak, kudzu, have no idea what that is, and poison oak. And it kills stumps.
What stumps?
Tree stumps.
Oh, roots?
That's not a stump. That's a root, but
Oh.
Wait, see.
Wait, can we use this for your hair?
That's
Okay, I'm gonna let you continue.
all right. 32 fluid ounce bottle. And the price was $19.86. You can see here it dropped to $12.90.
All right, so it was $19.86. It dropped to $12.90, and my husband's gonna scan it, and I'm gonna show you the UPC. There's the UPC. Oh, it's already on there?
Yeah, nothing to scan it.
Okay.
We already scanned it to make sure, but look at the price now.
Okay, so this one says $12.90. So it looks like someone didn't finish their job.
Yeah, or they left that one and put it on top on a couple of them.
But they're actually only $6. That's a great deal. You want to show them these?
Yeah. So again, this goes with the Tomcat mole and Gopher repellent. This is a mole killer. If you guys have moles and whatever. So this is 10 worms.
You're a mole.
I'm just gonna keep.
All right, go on.
So I guess you have the instructions on how to use it. You put it in the dirt, the worm, whatever, and the worm mole eats it, and it's whatever. So let me show you the UPC.
All right. So this is what it looks like. Oh, is that a mole right there? Oh, that thing is ugly. I can imagine this being a mouth. What's the worms?
So they eat it.
Okay, so this is what the box looks like, you guys. I have no clue. Mole killer, 10 worms, 1 worm per replacement. And let me show you the UPC. There's the UPC. And they went from $14.82 down to $3.50. So you guys can see how many they have here. They have quite a few. And my husband's gonna grab a few just to try to sell these online. Did I give you a secret?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, you guys.
Against what you want to do. So remember, I'm telling you now that she says no and I say yes. By the time we get this video up, we will already have sold some.
Yeah, but they have quite a few, you guys. I'm trying to tell my husband we should wait until they go down a little, but he wants to grab a few just to try, so that's fine. So in case you guys are looking for it, they have these and they have the liquid ones. All right, you guys, they have the Amtro mousetrap, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. That mouse about to get trapped. So it has step 1, 2, and 3. Ooh, I hate rats. Okay, so the safer, cleaner solution. There you guys go. So it says no poison, no blood, no mess, no snap fingers, and it kills 12 mice, 3 easy steps. There's the UPC, and you guys can see it went from $6.48 down to $1.50. Great price. So they have quite a few back here.